Oh, first, I warn that I am deaf. If you get trouble understanding my speech, I added subtitles to help with this. Now, I will talk about using autonomous artificial intelligence with use case that affects my family, the home laundry processing optimization. So what's the challenge? We are a typical family, loving everything, fulfilling our lives, except dirty clothes. We produce a lot of them daily, and they must be processed. So the process is simple. First, put clothes in container, no big deal here. Second, put clothes in washing machine. Expert decisions are needed here. Third, dry clothes by putting them in either to dry, the clothes line, or the balcony. Again, expert decisions are needed here. Fourth, here on. Fifth, fold and arrange. No big deal. In those last two, regarding the pressure, there is my wife, she's the expert and concentrates theoristic know-how to make the best decisions. Then there is me and our two daughters. We are the non-experts. If not properly supervised, occasionally clothes are damaged and bad work needs to be done. Non-experts wish maximum learning capacity and expert is overwhelmed with all this supervision. We would like non-experts to do expert-like decision, reducing the supervision needs and the dependency on the expert. Thus reducing the overall time with all this. To understand what aspect should we try to optimize, we measure the time spent in those tasks and got 10 person hours per week. Reducing it by 10% means extra 15 minutes per week of free time per person. Would you spend 15 minutes processing dirty clothes or doing fun things? So our key performance indication is time spent per person, measured in week hours per person. And our goal is to reduce that KPI. Now let's have a deeper look at processed pain points. The expert follows heuristics before turning on the washing machine. She split clothes in groups, she prioritizes urgent clothes, she waits for some feeling level. She also tries to avoid the dryer to save energy and money. For that, she considers weather, the scheduled needs, the electricity costs, and currently measuring the weather is the most uncertain one. The expert is a real ninja here, but still, 1 out of 10 times clothes needs to be collected because wine suddenly started. All those variables are too much for the non-expert operations. They need clear instructions on what to do and when. But the expert is always available. She is not always able to forecast all blocking situations when the non-experts are alone. To mitigate this, there is a weekly timetable with tasks where post-it signalizations put normal routine. At this point, our heroine looked for mentor advice and was told that maybe some autonomous AI could help. And that's what she got. First, build a digital system to replace the timetable. The expert can use a tablet to remotely control it, get real-time feedback, and simplify supervision. Notifications would replace post-its, and instructions would be adapted to each operator's maturity. Then a machine learning model with advanced perception could predict local weather, calculating when to put the clothes in the clothes line or in the balcony. Other model could learn the family patterns and generate schedules and exceptions, aiding the expert with the daily planning. And if you are successful with all this, our expert could be not just a hero for the family, but she could also leverage her strategies and optimizations to other people using some system, benefiting the entire community and helping everyone be a hero too. Thank you for watching.